Hello everyone, and yes, welcome back to my channel. So we've got a new unboxing for today. So yeah, we got a new product from Temu. So okay, let's go. Gonna have to open this up. So I believe this is the pedicure kit that I bought. So this a pedicure kit, right? So you have to check that. You're gonna have to check that out because there's also a case on it, right? So yes, I believe that is the case. Okay, we've got a leather case for the pedicure set. So okay, let's go. Gonna have to look at it. So what are those pedicure tools, right? Pedicure for cleaning up your fingernails, right? Okay, let's go. Gonna have to check it out. Yes, here it goes. Oh yeah, okay, this one's nice. Okay, look at that. Oh nice. Okay, we've got some, yeah, like this one. Okay, and then let's go. Gonna have to check that out. So yeah, there's also, yeah, this one right over here. There's also, so let's go. Gonna have to check that out first. Okay, let's go. There's a file on it. There's a file in which you can uh look at your fingers like that. So, yeah, right. And then also we've got some, what is this? Okay, we've got some for cleaning up your ingrown, right? So that's smelly ingrown in your foot. All right, so what is this one? So I don't know what is this one. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to check that out also right over here. Yeah, so this is gonna have to, yeah, I like that one. So I'm gonna have to cut my nails, right? So apologies for my nail. Okay, sorry. Okay, oh, okay, that was okay. Okay, that was sharp. Okay, I didn't know that it was sharp, so sharp. So okay, and then we've got right over here, what is this one? Yes, just for the nail again. Okay, for the nail. And yes, and what is this? Okay, what is this one? This also covers because it is sharp, right? There's a cover. So yeah, look at that. So okay, I'm gonna have to check that out. Okay, I'm gonna have to check it out. Okay, and then also right over here is this, mm, for your eardrum, right? For your ears, earwax remover for your ears. Oh, they got some fully set right there. Okay, also for your, yeah. And then right over here also is, I don't know what is this one. So I think that's for the clean of your, right. So we got some sharp and then not sharp at the side of the, okay. And then right over here is, we've got some, what is this? Okay, they got some, yeah. Oops, be careful. It's because this is so sharp right over here. I must be careful. So we've got right here is a brush. Okay, if you want to brush that one. Okay, and also we've got some tweezers right over here. We got some tweezers for your armpit hair. Okay, we got some tweezers for armpit hair. And also we've got this nail cutter over here. Oh, this, oh, nice one. I like this one. Okay, I like this one. Okay, and yeah, that one right over here at the side. Okay, this is gonna be at the side, which is gonna be for the yeah, that's right. So okay, next is we've got some, this one right over here is, I got some, okay, yeah, mini scissor for your, yeah, mini scissor for hair, nose hair, right? So nose hair, we got some nose hair. And also right over here is another, yeah, nail clipper right over here, which is also gonna be, have to put that just because my nail is getting long. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so they got a nice leather, got nice leather over here. Yeah, right. And this also. Yeah, and then we've got some. If you want to put some, if you want to put something on here, so I think there's nothing inside. So if you want to put something there, you can put that. You can put that something if you want to, right? So yes, this is a far by mouse. Um. Uh. Key, pedicure kit, right? Pedicure kit slash anything, right? So it's because it is so, yeah, like that. So got some, yeah, you got some tweezers, we got some brush, we got some for your hair nose cleaner, earwax for your ears, earwax remover for your ears, right? So and it's also a file for you to, and this one right here over here, and it's also we got some bunch of nice, what is this called, nice tool, pedicure kit tool for your daily needs, right? So you can use this, you can also make this as your everyday carry, right? So EDC everyday carry. So if you want to bring some, so if you want to clean your your personal hygiene, right? So this is for the personal hygiene, either for boys or either for men or women, right? So perfect. And also I really like this kind of it's because I really like this kind of, I like that one. You can see that as the side view, right? So and it's also right over here, and it's also a perfect, what is this called, a perfect everyday carry for men and women, right? So right, okay, so this is not just a long video for today, okay? And also I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you again in the next video.